Hello, my name is Andy Pham, and this is my MAE 52 final project.
My inspiration for my project was the cannon card from the mobile game Clash Royale, and I picked this because it's my favorite mobile game ever and I play it every day. And this was my favorite card for a little bit, and it actually helped me get to Ultimate Champion, which is like the highest rank in the game. So I felt like it was pretty personal and like a good idea and something like I wanted to actually make and do.
My project consisted of 3 main components, being the wheels, the cart, and the cannon itself, and I just made it all together to make one component like this. This is how it looks all together. Here's the front view with my name on it, here's the top view of the cannon, and then here's the right side view. And I put a motion analysis showing the wheels moving as if it was an actual game. The problem I faced was the bar around the cannon. In order to make that bar, I had to put a rectangle and revolve it around a temporary axis that I had to create using the reference geometry option in SolidWorks. Making the bolts around the beam was also difficult to do. I had to create a whole new plane on top of the bar itself to create one bolt and attach it, and then do the circular pattern around it to put it all around. The cannon itself was actually pretty simple to make, a lot of circles and extrudes to make the shape itself, and then the base I just used a rectangle. And it was kind of hard because the geometry was weird. It was in the middle of the cannon, but I was able to extrude it downward and did the same for the bottom piece. The next hardest thing to do was create the handle on the cart itself. In order to do that, I had to put a plane in the middle of the beams in order to create a 3-point arc and then put a sweep to make the handle. One thing I overlooked was how to create that metal piece wrapping on top of the cart. In order to do that, I had to create a rectangle and extrude it both ways and do a lot of fillets to make that illusion that it was wrapping around the cart itself. Lastly, I showed a simulation showing what would happen if the cannon was too heavy and applied a load too great for the cart itself, which causes bending and displacement and stress on the cart. And here's a rendered image of my model of the cart I made in SolidWorks.